Hi, I'm Scott Pennington from Bennett, Pennington Attorneys at Law. So you have to go to court. What's next? Do you have to go and hire an expensive attorney, or can you just handle things yourself? Well, to answer that question, you may want to ask yourself a few more questions before making such a very, very, very important decision. Because ultimately, only you can answer that. No one can tell you that you have to have a lawyer, but no one should tell you that you shouldn't either. It's up to you. Ultimately, maybe you don't need a lawyer at all. But some of the things that you want to know before making that decision are, for example, what do you have? A traffic ticket? Do you have speeding, driving while suspended, a DWI? Do you have possession of marijuana? Which, by the way, is something that's before the legislature right now. And people are under the impression that, oh, hey, no big deal. I can just smoke marijuana when and where I want and under whatever circumstances. It's not entirely true. We should talk about that. First of all, what's the issue you're facing? Is it a traffic ticket, speeding, for example, maybe driving while suspended, running a red light? Or is it more serious, like a DWI or possession of narcotics or an assault or something more serious? Before going into court, you need to know what's at stake. Actually, when you plead guilty to a ticket, even a small traffic ticket, you're admitting to certain things. First of all, you're admitting guilt right off the bat. There's no doubt about that. And you're also admitting, in most cases, that you are operating a vehicle, which could actually result in collateral consequences, such as the Motor Vehicle Commission determining that during that period that you admitted to operating the vehicle, your driving privileges were already suspended for some other reason, but the police officer who gave you the ticket wasn't aware of it at the time. Will something small result in a suspension of your driving privileges? Will it result in insurance points, increasing your insurance rates? Will it cause you to incur surcharges? If you simply pay a ticket online, is that it? Is it over? No big deal. You have a small fine, enter your credit card number, and that's it, right? Maybe, maybe not. Now, if you simply go to court and represent yourself, which is your absolute right to do you know what questions to ask the prosecutor when you're negotiating, for example? Do you know what evidence you're entitled to view? And even if you viewed it, do you really know what you're looking at? At Bennett Pennington, we know what we're looking for. We know what a good deal is, and we're prepared to go to trial if a trial is in your best interest. However, we're never going to tell you that you have to have a lawyer. I will offer our services to you. We'll review your discovery for you and let you know what we think is necessary for the state to prove their case against you, and what are the missing items. At Bennett Pennington Law, we have handled literally thousands of such cases, and we're prepared to look at your discovery. We'll do a discovery review, determine whether we think you have all the evidence you need to fight your case, and if not, what's missing. So simply having the case reviewed may be the economic alternative that you're looking for. If you need a lawyer in court, we're available to represent you. So to learn more about us and to learn more about your specific legal issue, please visit us on the web. Please visit us at www.bennettpennington.com. Thank you.